Welcome to 12.5 Tech. Today, we're diving into how to download and use Bolt UDP VPN, a fast and secure way to browse the internet privately. Whether you're looking to bypass restrictions or simply enhance your online privacy, this tutorial will guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your device and type UDP Custom Official Website in the search bar. Press Enter, and from the search results, click on the official website. Once you're on the home page, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines. From the list of options, select Free VPN. This will take you to a page with various VPN options. Look for Bolt UDP VPN and tap on the download button to get the APK file. Make sure to allow installations from unknown sources if prompted. After downloading, open the app. You'll see a notification asking for permissions. Allow it to ensure smooth functioning. The app will display your connection status, which should initially say disconnected. Now, navigate to the server's list section. Here, you'll find options like Germany UDP. Tap on any server to connect. Once connected, your status will update and you're ready to browse securely. For advanced users, you can add a custom server. Go to the Custom Server option and fill in details like server name, host IP, and username password if required. Choose your preferred tunnel type. UDP is recommended for speed. Tap Add and test the connection. If you encounter any issues, try switching servers or clearing the app data from settings. That's it. You're now set up with Bolt UDP VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.